Hi students, we derived in Laplace transformation we derived these two standard results in previous session. T f of t by t for Laplace transformations. These are the results. I am going to do few problems based on these two standard results by this session. So we go. Yes. First question. Laplace of t cos 2t. According to the above rule, this t f of t rule is equal to minus d by ds of Laplace of cos 2t minus d by ds of Laplace of cos 2t is s divided by s square plus 2 square is nothing but s by s square plus 4 is minus of, yes, this is u, this is v, u by v, differentiation of u by v is v u dash, I can write to u dash minus u v dash by v square. Here s square plus 4 whole square is v square, s square plus 4 is a v, differentiation of s is 1 minus s of, differentiation of s square is 2s, while differentiation of 2 square 4 is 0 because constant. So, I can close that bracket, is equal to minus of s square plus 4 minus 2s square divided by s square plus 4 whole square. Yes, by sending this minus inside and simplification, we will get s square minus 4 divided by s square plus 4 whole square. Yes, and for the second question, Laplace of t e power 3t cos 2t is an interesting problem. E power 3t is available here. Here 2 terms, here 3 terms. First we have to find a Laplace of cos 2t is equal to s divided by s square plus 4 as we studied previous one. S square plus 2 square, I put 4 directly. And Laplace of step by step, I am going to do this problem by step by step. First step, Laplace of cos 2t. Okay. Then Laplace of, we should not take e power 3t now, but t cos 2t is equal to minus d by ds of Laplace of cos 2t is equal to minus d by ds of s divided by s square plus 4. As we derived earlier, the same problem I took t cos 2t from the previous one itself. By keeping that, saving the time, I can write s square minus 4 divided by s square plus 4 whole square from the previous question solution. Yes, now very importantly, this is shifting theorem. See, I can write one rule here, Laplace of e power at f of t is equal to capital F of s minus a, where Laplace of f of t is f of s we know. Therefore, Laplace of t e power 3t cos 2t is equal to Laplace of t cos 2t, and in this result s is replaced by s minus 3, remember here plus 3, so I put minus 3 there, s minus 3. So, t cos 2t is s square minus 4 divided by s square plus 4 whole square, where s is s minus 3. Yeah, is nothing but s minus 3 whole square minus 4 whole divided by s minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square. s is replaced by s minus 3 is equal to s square minus 6s plus 9 expansion a minus b whole square divided by s square minus 6s plus 9 plus 4 whole square. Therefore, Laplace of t e power 3t cos 2t is equal to s square minus 6s plus 5 divided by 9 minus 4 5 divided by s square minus 6s plus 13 whole square. So, this is the answer for the second one. Now, I can take third one. So, to differentiate I can take another color. Laplace of t e power minus 2t sin t. Again I can go for step by step. Sorry, here sin. Laplace of sin t. Laplace of sin t is 1 by s square plus 1. Laplace of sin t. And we have to take t. Laplace of t sin t is minus d by ds of the previous result 1 by s square plus 1. Then again by u by v method, quotient rule, I can write the result directly even though I can explain the steps. S square plus 1 is a v, differentiation of u as 1 is 0 constant minus 1 of s, differentiation of s square is a 2s, differentiation of 1 becomes 0. Then I can close the bracket equal to minus 0 into anything 0 minus 2s. So, minus 2s will come here, s square plus 1 whole square is equal to 2s divided by s square plus 1 whole square. Finally, e power minus 2t is waiting for the result. Then I can take Laplace of t e power minus 2t sin t is nothing but 2s divided by s square plus 1 whole square, where s is replaced by minus 2t means we have to put s plus 2. Remember, s plus 2. Yeah, is equal to 2 of s plus 2 divided by s plus 2 whole square plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 times s plus 2 by whole square will come s square, s square plus 2 into s into 2 4s plus 4 plus 1. I can write 5 directly whole square. So, this is the answer for the third question. Then t, see here, the t into cos 2t is over, t into e power 3t cos 2t was shifting theorem is also over, this is also over. Then by t, by the second rule, I am going to do now itself. Please just wait. Yeah, I can restart here. Laplace transformations. For engineering students, Laplace applications of Laplace transformations is ECE, EEE, whatever it may be, you learn properly, it will be very useful to do your engineering domain. Yes. Then I can go for the fourth question. By this rule, we know that Laplace of f of t by t is equal to, see here, Laplace of f of t by t is equal to integral s to infinity Laplace of f of t with respect to s, not t, because Laplace for result will be function of s. Then I can go for question number 4. Laplace of e power t minus e power minus t by t is equal to integral s to infinity Laplace of e power t minus e power minus t into, remember, with respect to s, not for t. I replace this by t by integral is equal to integral s to infinity Laplace of e power t. Yeah, 1 by s e power a t is 1 by s, yeah, minus 1 minus 1 by s plus 1 ds, yeah, is over log of s minus 1 for 1 by s minus 1, integral is log of s minus 1 minus 1 by s, integral of 1 by s plus 1 is again log of s plus 1, limit is s to infinity. Remember, integral of 1 by x dx is either log x or ln x. Then I can go for LOG here. Yeah, for upper limit infinity, no, infinity, by applying the limits at infinity, s is replaced by 1 by s, whatever it may be, the answer is simply 0. Put for infinity in log, the answer is 0, minus of, here s is replaced by s itself. So, log of s minus 1 minus log of s plus 1 will come. Yes, so I can leave this one, I can send minus inside, I will get is equal to log of s plus 1 will come first, minus log of s minus 1 is equal to, by logarithmic rule, minus means s plus 1 by s minus 1. Therefore, log Laplace transformation of e power t minus e power minus t divided by t is equal to log of s plus 1 by s minus 1. Question number 4 is over. Now 5. Laplace transformation of 1 minus cos t divided by t is equal to integral s to infinity Laplace of 1 minus cos t ds, now ds, yes, is equal to integral s to infinity of Laplace of 1 is 1 by s minus Laplace of cos t is 1 by s square plus 1 with respect to s. So, I can put ds is equal to integral, one small step for getting integral directly. I can introduce half and 2s divided by s square plus 1 ds. See here integral of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x, log of f of x. Okay, this means integral of the numerator is derivative of denominator, then integral answer will be log of denominator. So, I am going to use this rule here. So, for 1 by s you know log s simply minus 1 by 2. For getting 2s on numerator I introduce half and 2. Half of log of denominator s square plus 1. Limit here s, here infinity. Yes. For infinity already explained 0 will come. But for s, s is s. So, no change. Log s minus 1 by 2 log of s square plus 1 is equal, by sending minus inside, half log of s square plus 1 minus log s. In logarithmic rule, any number is available in front of L means we can take this one as a power, as log of s square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 minus log s. Here only one step. Minus means by using this minus denominator will come, you know. So, for that case I can write the final answer as the solution of the question number 5 as log of s square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 on numerator. Because of this minus I can put s on downside. So, this is the answer, and further for 1 by 2 you can put root of s square plus 1. Thank you.